YouTube Scrap Mechanics Gang. We're live on the floor, and we are going to be changing a track rod end due to perish and MOT failure. Let's have a look. Looks horrible. It's a 17mm nut, castle nut to be precise. I'm going to undo that. I'm not going to get that out yet. I'm just going to take the nut off, and then I'm going to try and undo this crispy old girl. That's one. I suppose a dribble's better than not. Forget that. I took the rod out, and if you get a 17 and a 19mm, like so. Right, now, I'm going to leave the locking nut where it is. The car's going straight in to get the tracking done and a re-MOT. Because I'm fully aware that it is not going to be straight. Old track rod removed. And then we have a nice new one. And a nice new pin. Lovely. And yeah, you put them back to back, they are same, just different. So yeah, as I said, I've left that nut where it was. I'm gonna wind the new rod on. I'm gonna probably put a bit of grease on there actually. And just wind it back to where the original one was. And then, as I said, I'm gonna simply wind her back to where the other one was. Please, please, please don't do this without going to get your car aligned straight away, guys. That is where it was. I'm not going to mess around. I am going to pinch it tight. And that is a track rod done. Done was the wrong word really, wasn't it? This is not done, it's just on. The old nut on. Typically different size now. You can grab an 18mm socket. The new ones always seem to be 18. Yeah, it's a 19. Oh my god. Get on with it, mate. And that is that on. get that pin wrapped round. And that is how to fit a track rod on a Peugeot 107. Easy job, guys. Make sure you get your tracking done.